good log.
Got him. Got him. I don't know. I don't think so. Oh, ha ha ha.
Can I hold it?
Got him. There you go.
Little buddy.
Today, folks, we're fishing for bass
Little buddy.
and using the buzz bait. Stay tuned. Enjoy.
You noticed last time? If you a long side scent. Of course, that's a big one.
God,
That was a big
that was a big one. Jig. I'm gonna try. Oh. Yeah, this is on it.
I'm sorry, I don't know what the wind and stuff. I would've thought.
No, don't even trip about it.
And I didn't notice that you see how you just did it like kind of side straight?
Huh?
You know how you just do it straight?
Look at this. I need little chompers like this. Oh yeah, giant.
Yeah?
Yep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, giant baby. Giant. Go. Get the net. Get the net. Get the net. Get the net. Giant. Oh yeah.
Giant baby.
You.
Giant baby.
Hey, you.
Giant baby.
You. This is why you throw it. This is why you throw a buzz bait, baby. This is why you throw a buzz bait. Oh my God. Oh.
That's a big
Where's the
baby.
scale? What'd you do with it already? Folks,
That's a big baby.
this is crazy. This is crazy, folks. Let's see what she weighs. A big belly? Buddy, in the side of my bag, can you find the paint? The green paint?
Okay. Wait here or wait in here?
That's right, folks. Stay tuned for more. So, folks, whenever I get bit on a buzz bait and I don't get a hookup, I like to chase it with a jig. And my favorite is this Terminator brush jig, just like that with a Strike King Rage Craw. I dip these in pinchers into the green or the chartreuse, and that's it. That's how she goes. Got him. Big fish. Big fish. I think. Folks, we got another one.
I got one.
Thank you.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
this is a Guggen one. This is a Guggen one.
All right, folks. So here's what we got. We got a Duckett Incite 7.3 medium heavy with a loose speed spool, 7:3 to 1 gear ratio with 16-pound sunline fluorocarbon. I got a Booyah buzzbait with a Guggen Squad trailer. Everything's gonna be in the link below, so check them out. cast. Big one. Real big one? Huh?
What?
Better? What you got? Better you got? Oh, snap.
Get the
Yeah. Get some.
Hey, watch the thing if it goes off somewhere. Yeah. See what I mean? They call me the flipper.
Oh, you're the flipper? Yeah, boy. Why though?
I mean, it flies far, so I don't care. No, I wouldn't use 30 though.
I use 40. Does just fine. Get your little butt over here. Oh, got him. Right in the snout. This is borderline flying in there.
Now it is. Look at my comment.
You want to slow down a little bit, maybe? Or no? Digging? We got a salad. We got a fish salad up there. He'll do for what we're trying to do, right? No? Felt like you would. Try to fly. Yeah. Got him? Did he? He got a Georgia of the jungle. Right? He got a Georgia of the jungle. What do you think about this red devil looking?
It's so weird. Like usually these outlet holes right here, right? Pretty close, like over there. It goes sucks for some reason. I told you that.
Well, yeah, because this is a main lake point right here. They'll be here during the post spawn. Once they're done. During the spawn, they're in cold. Spawning.